Okay, friends, I'm Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 4, our today's topic is number, series and order. Okay, so number order and series mainly. Order and series both are synonyms of each other. Now see, uh, we had seen in the last topic about classification in which four quantities are given to you, and out of the four, three resemble the same group, but one is there who is odd in that group. So this was the theme for classification. And now for series and order, the numbers are there in particular series or an order, and we have to uh, find out the wrong term, or we want to find the next number in the order, or we have to find out the next figure or next symbol in the given order. Okay, again the same thing: prime number, square, triangular number, cube of the number, everything you should know before you solve the sums regarding this topic. Okay, so now we will directly move to practice exercise. In the practice exercise, our very first question is based on numbers only, where the numbers are given in particular series and we have to find the next number in the series. Now see, if you look carefully, the first question 46, 38, 30, 22 and the next number is asked. Now if you look carefully, you can find the thing ki -8 from 46 gives us the answer as 38, -8 from 38 gives us the answer as 30, -8 from 30, 22. So 22 minus 8 is your answer. So what is 22 minus 8? So 14 is your answer. Again the next one is same. There is a difference of constant number and you have to add that difference, whether it is true or false. No, not like the previous one. Now see carefully the question: 13, 17, 19, 23. Now here is the gap of 4 number, here is the gap of 2 number, here is the gap of 4 number. So this is not a pattern like this. Then what is this? Now if you see 13, 17, 19, 23 are the prime numbers. Now which is the next prime number in the given series? So after 23, 25 is not a prime number. 27 is also not a prime number. So next prime number is 29. So 29 is your answer. Now see, 10, 15, then 30, then 45 and the next number is asked to you. So here again they had done one pattern where this 10 is multiplied by 1.5. So we get the number as 15. 15 2s are 30. Again 30 is multiplied by 1.5. So we get 45. Again for 45 we have to multiply it by 2. So we get the next number in the series as 90. Now 1, 8, 27, 64 all are the cubes of the number. This is cube of 1, this is cube of 2, this is cube of 3, this is cube of 4. So you want 5 ka cube. So 5 ka cube is 125. Okay. Now there is one method to find out the cube of 5. Okay, so cube of 5 is 125. Now the next is in the form of rational numbers, and if you look carefully, numerator and denominator both shows different pattern. Now see here you have to add 4 in each successive term, and here you have to subtract 4. So 7 minus 4 becomes 3 and 14 minus 4, 14 plus 4 becomes 18. So 18 by 3 is your answer. I had another method also to solve this problem. Now see, 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. 6 plus 15 is equal to 21, 10 plus 11 is equal to 21 and 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. So in the given option, whose numerator and denominator gives you the figure as 21, that is your answer. So these two may be your answer, but if you look carefully, numerator is successively increasing. So this is not the answer where numerator is very much low than 14. it should be greater than 14. So 18/3 is the correct answer. Now 4, 8, 12, 20. Now you have to find out the next number in the series. So if you look carefully, 4 plus 8 becomes 12, 12 plus 8 becomes 20, 20 plus 12 becomes 32. So 32 is the next number in the given series. Okay, so you have to think like that. कि क्या हो सकता है? Sometimes previous number get added in the successive number to get the next number, like here they had done. Okay, now here again the same thing is done. If you look carefully, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. Now 2 and 3 together, if we add, it becomes 5. So 5 is added in the same number. 2 and 8, 10. 10 is added in 28. So like this, 7 plus 0 becomes 7. So 7 should be added in 70. So your answer is 77. Okay. Now you can solve the rest. Now I will, here again, 2 is added, then 3 is added, then 5 is added. So you have to add the next one. So all prime numbers are added. So you have to add prime number in it. So 7 is the next prime number. So you add 7 and you will get the answer of your question. Now I will take one of the sum from Roman numbers. And this remaining sum you try at home. Now this is one tricky. I will just take about the rational number. Now see, 3 by 9, 5 by 25, 7 by 49, 9 by 81. Now see, whatever numerator is there, its square is there in the denominator. 5 ka square 25 in the denominator, 7 square 49 in the denominator, and 3, 5, 7, 9 are the odd numbers. So which is the odd number after 9? It is 11 and its square is 121. 11 11 ja 121. So option number 2 is your answer. Now one question about the Roman numbers. Now see, V means 5, X means 10, this is 16, this is 23, this is 31. Now see, 5 and 10, then of 5, then next difference is of 6, next is of 7, and again next is 8. So you have to add 9 into the 31. So it becomes 40. Now how to write 40 in Roman number? So XL is the correct method of writing 40 in the Roman number, where L stands for 50 and X stands for 40. 10. So here when we write the X at the left of any number, we subtract that number from L. So 50 minus 10 gives us the answer as 40. So XL is the correct answer here. Now we'll move to the next one. And over is there. Okay, wait. My pen is gone for a lunch. I'll just bring it back. It becomes hungry sometimes, so it goes to have a lunch. Everyone becomes hungry. Now the next series pattern is based on figure, where we have to find a successive figure ahead of the given series of figures. So I will just solve here 2 to 3 questions for you, because figure questions are very easy. So I think you all can solve it very well. So try on your own. I will not help you. Okay. Now see, in the very first question, cross sign means multiplication, then dot, then plus sign and minus sign. Now all the signs are moving clockwise. So this multiplication signs come to the right side. This dot goes down. This plus sign come to its left side, and new sign is added instead of this left corner sign, which is triangle. Okay. Now again they move clockwise, and whatever there in the left corner, that is this plus sign, get cancelled and square appears at the place of the plus sign. Okay. Now you have to rotate it again. So this lower right corner become triangle, this upper right corner becomes square, and this circle which is at left corner, it disappears. Here multiplication sign comes, and it goes up. So according to me, option number 2 is the correct option here. Okay. So next, now see, the arrow is facing towards the left, then it goes up, means it is moving clockwise, then it goes to the right. So now again it will face down. So option number 4 is the correct option here. Now in the next figure, triangle is there, one line segment is there inside it. After one, it becomes 2 line segment, then this line segment get extended. So you have to extend the other remaining line segment. So in between these two, one of the option is your answer, but this is not the answer because it doesn't look like the figure. This is the correct answer, third figure. Okay, so this is very easy. Now see, here only one line segment is there, then it becomes 2, then becomes 3. So we have to find the figure in which 4 line segments are there. So option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, so I hope you all can solve this. I will not waste my time in this figure wala question because it is very enjoyable and please enjoy to solve this pattern. So I will left it for you all. Now the next topic is based on symbol. So you have to find out the next symbol in the series. Again it is like figure only. Okay, you will enjoy this one also. Now see, greater sign, lesser sign, in between them there is a equal to ka sign. Now this equal to sign moves to the left side, and this sign which were facing towards each other, they get facing opposite to each other. Okay. Now here this sign comes to this end, means it is still moving clockwise. Okay. Now these two facing opposite. Now what is the next pattern? So these two will face opposite direction, but the equal to ka sign will come in between them, according to me. Or they will face towards each other and equal to ka sign come in between them, because in each pattern their direction is changing. So this is the third is the option here. Okay. Now here plus minus plus minus plus. Now this plus sign moves to the end, so it becomes minus plus minus plus plus minus plus minus plus plus. Again this minus sign moves here, so it becomes plus minus plus plus minus. Now again this plus sign moves here, so it becomes minus plus plus minus plus. Okay. Now what is the next? This minus sign will move to the end. So first 2 plus sign will be there. So these 2 is not the option. Out of these 2, there may be one of the option. Now after 2 plus sign, minus sign is there. So yes, minus sign is there. Then plus sign. So this get cancelled, and minus sign which was there in the front, it came to the end. So this is the correct option here. Option number 2. Like this you can think which figure will be the option. Now see here, each symbol, whether it is facing towards left, it faces towards right. If it is facing up, it faces down. So their direction changes by 180 degree. Again their direction changes by 180 degree, and first order is repeated. So what is the next? This second wala is the next only. So find out where such a option is there. First option, not correct. Second, no. Third can be the option. Yes. Yes. So third option is the correct option here. Okay. Now fourth question. Triangle 4 times, then circle. Now one triangle is reduced and one circle is added. Again one triangle is reduced, one circle is added. So again you reduce one triangle, so triangle becomes only one, which is at the start, and then 4 circles. So option number 4 is the correct option. Okay. Now I thought you can solve it now. Okay, so we will take the wrong term or odd man out in the series and order type of question, which is the last session of our chapter. Now see, in the series, one term is there which does not follow the rule, and that number is wrongly placed there. So you have to find out which is the wrong in the given order. Now see, look carefully. 11, 17, 23, then 31 and 37. Now see, if you look carefully, 11 and 17, 23, 31, 37 all are prime numbers. But 11 is taken, then 13 is left, not taken, and then they take 17. Then 19 is left and they take 23. So which is the prime number after 23? 25 is not a prime number, 27 is not a prime number, 29 is prime number. So 29 is left and they took 31. Okay. Now 31, after 31, which is the prime number? 33 is not a prime number, 35 is not a prime number, but 37 is prime number, but we have to left it and we have to take next prime number in the given order. So 37 is the option which is the odd one out there. Understood? There should be 41 instead of 37. Now see, like this, 8, 15, 24, 37, 48. Now what is the common in these numbers? Now see, 3 ka square is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. 25 is the square of 5. 25 minus 1 is 24. 6 square is 36. But 36 minus 1 is 35, not the 37. And 49 ka square is 7 ka square is 49. So 49 minus 1 is 48. So 48 is correctly written, but 37 is wrong. So 37 is the wrong term there. Now see here, 5 by 12, 6 by 10, 8 by 8, 10 by 6 and 12 by 4. So if you look carefully what you find here, now see, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 10 is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. But here there should be 4, not 5. So 5 by 12 is the odd term here. It is not following the rule. Now here again you can see 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. All are the odd numbers, which are the first digit of the number. 47, 46, 45, 44 should be there. They had written 46 and then 43. So 746 is the odd term here. Understood? Okay. Now see 4, 16, 36, 64, 81, 144. All are the squares of the number, but 4 is the square of 2, 16, 4, 6, 8. Now see, you can see all are the even number. So here should be the square of 10, which is 100, not 81, which is the square of 9. So 81 is the wrong answer here. So you have to think like that. Okay. Now here again co-prime numbers are taken. You can think of that and you can solve the sum. Which two are not the co-prime or twin prime. According to that, there may be your answer. Now the next one. Okay. I think here 2931 is the wrong term, because see 2, 3, then next prime number is 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, then 17, then 19. But after 19 there should be 23 and 29, not 29 and 31. So this is the option. Okay. Now you have to think before you solve the problem. Okay. But here they had applied another logic also. They can apply. Now see, whatever I told you about the twin prime number, there is a difference of 2 in each number, but here is only difference of 1. So they are co-prime but not the twin prime. So 2 and 3 is the odd term there. So you can think like any of the option, but you have to choose the correct option according to the examiner. Okay. Now I thought ki you will solve the rest of the sum. Roman number ka sum I will take. Now this is 1, this is 4, this is 9, then this is 14, then after 14 this is 25, and this is 36. So look carefully. 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3. So here should be the square of 4, which is 16, not the 14. So this is the odd term here. Okay. So I hope you understood the topic. Try solving more and more questions so that you will get used to it and you will perform better in your exams. Bye.